Sitting quietly on a rock, I hear the silence of my space. Feeling in my heart, I'm in the presence of God's grace. I listen to what I hear. I'm overcome by the buzzing of the bees, the wind in the trees, and the sound of silence. I'm blessed to leave behind the sound that is on my mind. I realize that it's a new day. I'm feeling peace as I pray. The noise that I hear is the sound of silence. What does this mean? It's like I'm in a dream. Suddenly I hear the sound of a quiet stream. I listen to what I hear, everything that nature has to say. What a beautiful and special day. It's the sound of silence. Thinking about how nature seems to talk to me, I hear her songs, the woodpecker, the drumming on a tree. Suddenly a soft and gentle breeze brings me to my knees, and I hear the sound of silence. This was just one of the poems that I wrote when I was out in the woods playing my flute. And I appreciate the times that I can spend with my Creator in the woods and listening to the sound of nature.